My first guest joins me in studio, Mr. Robert Campbell. He's the Chief Operating Officer of a company called Clever Marketing. Their stock symbol's KLMK. Bob, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Don. It's a pleasure to be here. I'm excited to be here, and I'm excited about our company.
Well, I know it's a very exciting company. We've been talking to your CEO, Paul Begum, here for a while. Really pleased to see somebody else from the company. Just give us a different perspective. Tell us again what Clever Marketing does.
Well, Paul was here a couple weeks ago, talked to you about, kind of introduced our company and talked to you a little bit about some of the financial gains we've made. We've done some spectacular things in reducing our debt and becoming a very balanced financial company. But Clever Marketing is all about helping the consumer in the grocery store, helping the retailer, and helping the supplier. And we've got a line of products we're introducing over the next few years. They're going to bring that all together like nobody's brought that together before. So that's what we're up to, and there's a lot of pieces of it that I kind of want to talk to you about today.
Well, I think what's really remarkable is you get your Clever Shop app, which you can put onto an iPhone or an Android, and I don't have to clip coupons in the supermarket anymore. I can scan the product with my phone. It's going to tell me if there's a coupon available. Is that pretty much how it works?
That's pretty much it. You know, you can actually start at home with your iPhone, with your smartphone, go into the refrigerator, go anywhere, just scan all the products you want. You can build a shopping list.
Okay.
And then when you're getting near the store, it recognizes you're going in the store, and then what we've done is set up some recommendation engines where we know the type of products you like to buy. If you drink beer, we'll offer you beer. If you're not a beer drinker, we don't offer you beer. If you don't have kids, we're not going to offer you diapers. So we want to develop this kind of one-to-one relationship, personalized, where we know your shopping habits. We don't care your name, we don't want personal things, but we want somebody to trust us to offer them products that'll really do them good and save them lots of money and complimentary products. So yeah, Clever Shop is the first application that we're working on now that you can actually scan the coupons, you can redeem them, you can do the whole thing from your smartphone. So that's the start.
Now, when you get to the cash register, to the checker, I mean, basically, do you just hand the phone to them?
We got two ways of doing it. Some markets, we actually go in and we assemble all the redeemed coupons. You've selected them along the way, say, I want these. And we actually scan it over their scanner, and it immediately downloads them all and registers them up. The other technology we use is just go straight up to the cloud.
Wow.
Cloud goes down to the POS. We already know who you are. You're Don. The checker says, Don, how are you today? So automatically we know you. We know your buying habits. We don't give you this long list of coupons when you leave. We're just chalking in what you bought, and maybe next time we'll offer you some special promotions as being a loyal buyer in the market there.
It has to be a win-win situation, because I know Paul had mentioned before that there's a lot of misredemption, mal-redemption, even something he calls gang redemption.
Gang redemption,
with respect to coupons. But then again, the retailers and the manufacturers also know that a large percentage of the coupons they buy these ads for go unredeemed.
Here's the issue. It's the market now does spray and pray. They throw the coupons out there and they pray they'll be redeemed. Extremely inefficient, 1% to 2% redemption. We're changing that whole mode. In fact, the whole thing that's changing here, we're going from pushing coupons to consumers pulling them out of a bank. We've got a line of products here. The next one we'll be introducing is Clever Dash. I'm a supplier. I've got a $100,000 Coke ad, let's say, any product. I go on and I can see the people redeeming them real time. I can change my ad. If it's not doing well, I add some more things to it. I can add some complementary products to it. So we're now going to make product managers real managers. Instead of waiting for a month to see how many coupons are redeemed, they can actually go in with their online dashboard anywhere and manage these campaigns and be much more efficient with them. So that's also part of where we're headed as the next add-on to our Clever Shop app.
So the app's available on the smartphone and on the Android. They can go to Clever Marketing, Clever with a K, by the way, clevermarketing.com, learn more information. How soon can someone find out if the stores in their area are working with your system?
Well, right now we're in a demonstration store in Anaheim, and we're going to spend the next 2 to 3 months ironing out all the bugs.
Okay.
And so count on 2 to 3 months from now, we're starting to go regionally, then we'll go nationally. It's a matter of signing up CPGs, signing up retailers, and going from there. So we're let's say 3 months away from people being able to use it broadly.
You know, the enthusiasm that you're genuinely displaying is really exciting. Once again, Clever Marketing, KLMK is their stock symbol. Look for their app on your iPhone and your Android. Their website is Clever Marketing, Clever with a K, clevermarketing.com. Bob, very exciting. Appreciate the update. Thanks for being with us.
Don, thanks for letting me come.